Welcome back to my channel. Let's dive into today's recipe, shall we? Salmon is renowned for its health benefits, and when paired with the creamy texture and subtle flavors of avocado salsa, it becomes a powerhouse of nutrition. This grilled salmon with avocado salsa recipe is not only easy to prepare but also highly beneficial for diabetics and anyone focused on a healthy diet. Let's explore the ingredients, the cooking steps, and the health benefits of this delightful dish. Ingredients. For the salmon, 4 salmon fillets, 6 oz each, skin or knee, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 lemon for garnish. For the avocado salsa, 2 ripe avocados diced, 1 small red onion finely chopped, 1 jalapeño, seeded and minced, optional, 1/2 cup cilantro chopped, juice of 1 lime, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tomato diced, optional. Instructions: 1. Preheat the grill. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, about 375 degrees F, 190 degrees C. 2. Prepare the salmon. Mix olive oil, salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder in a small bowl. Brush the mixture over both sides of the salmon fillets. 3. Grill the salmon. Place the salmon fillets skin side down on the grill. Cook for about 6 to 8 minutes on each side, depending on the thickness, until the salmon is fully cooked and flakes easily with a fork. 4. Make the avocado salsa. While the salmon is grilling, combine diced avocados, red onion, jalapeño, cilantro, lime juice, and tomatoes if using in a medium bowl. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Mix gently to avoid mashing the avocados. 5. Serve. Place the grilled salmon on plates and generously top with avocado salsa. Garnish with lemon wedges. Enjoy. Serve immediately for the best flavor and texture. Health benefits. Benefits for diabetics. Low in carbohydrates. This dish is particularly low in carbs, which helps in managing blood sugar levels. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to improve insulin sensitivity and decrease inflammation. High in fiber. Avocado is high in fiber, which aids in blood sugar regulation. General health benefits. Heart health. The healthy fats in both salmon and avocado help reduce cholesterol levels and maintain heart health. Weight management. High in protein and healthy fats. This dish can help in feeling full longer, aiding in weight management. Anti-inflammatory properties. Both main ingredients have anti-inflammatory properties, crucial in preventing chronic diseases. This grilled salmon with avocado salsa is not just a treat to your taste buds but also a boon to your health. It's a perfect example of a dish that combines flavor with nutritional benefits, making it an ideal meal for everyone, especially those managing diabetes. Enjoy this delicious and healthful recipe that promises satisfaction in every bite. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.